In this video today, we will see how to erase an iPhone and put a new passcode if the iPhone is locked. So in case if you forget the passcode of your iPhone, then you can erase it by using a computer. So for that one, I will open a website here called icloud.com/find. Let me open this website. Then you have to enter the Apple ID that was used in the iPhone. Next, let me enter the password of the Apple ID. So once you log into this icloud.com/find website, then the website will search for the iPhone location. So right now the website has found 3 devices. So this one is my iMac, this one is my Apple Watch, and this one is the iPhone. So if I want to format or erase the iPhone, what I will do is I will click on this eye icon here, and then I can click on this option erase iPhone, and if I select this option erase, then I will be able to erase the contents that are present in the iPhone and then set up a new passcode. So you have to understand that the iPhone will be erased, no data will be left. You might be able to restore the iPhone from iCloud if you have backed up your phone to the iCloud previously.